Hey guys, in this activity, we're going to write a program to loop through the string hello, and we're going to print out each character of the string. So, we're going to create a new file in Visual Studio Code, and then save that file and name it loops.py. Then, we're going to create a variable to store the string hello in. So, create a variable called my_string and assign it the value hello. Now, to loop through my_string, we're going to use the for loop syntax from the previous video. In this case, our sequence is what we want to loop through, which is the variable my_string. The value can be any variable to store each character in. Let's say that the variable name of the values is C. And the body of the loop will be print C because we want to print each character of the string that we loop through. So we're going to write for C in my_string print C. So in this code, C is going to be each character of the string hello. And as we loop through each character of the string, Python will print it out. So when we run this code, you can see that the output is each character of the string hello printed out on a separate line. This is how you can loop through each character of a string.